Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Pixel 8a device, and now I'm gonna show you how to resolve the problem when your screen is not responding. To do that, you need to press power and volume down buttons together and hold it during 5 seconds, and then release both keys and press power and volume up, and now wait 10 seconds until your device reboots. Press and hold. And now, after 10 seconds, release power and volume up buttons and press just power button until you see Google logo on your screen. So of course it will not help if you damage your screen, so it can also help when your Android system is glitching, lagging, so only in this situation. But of course, if you damage your screen, you just need to take your device to the customer service. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you.